Well, welcome to part 5. The office is gone for the moment. Completely stripped out. Oh dear. This has turned into such a huge job. This wall has already been painted. As we moved some notice boards and stuff, and it looked like someone had been at this wall with an AK-47, so I painted that a few weeks ago. So that's the colour it's going to be. Warm Sands by Dulux. Can't beat it. So we have to put some coving up and run our ducting, and this will be gone in the morning. I know I said that in the last video, but I've made this video 10 minutes after the last video, but you won't have seen it for about 3 days, so you get the idea. I'm not taking them down, I'm just going to mask around them, because it was a pain in the backside putting them up. And whip down the blind, and a few bits of filling here and there, and a bit of sanding. I have to repair the floor in under there. I have a couple of bits of this floor somewhere that I'll be able to scarf them in, and you won't know a thing about it. So that's to do, and the skirting, and what, it's turned into such a huge job. Oh, not joking you, it's absolutely massive. I have a big list of stuff here I have to do. Oh dear. So, that's one part of the office there. Oh dear. There's the rest of it. There's 2 of them in there, believe it or not. IKEA's finest. All the legs and brackets and screws are all in there. So, stuff everywhere. So, the plan is to, today is Wednesday, and I have to work tomorrow night and Friday night. And the plan is, from around lunchtime on Saturday, I want to start into this, and I will have it, all the jobs in here that I need to do done, and all the sanding will be done, all the painting and decorating will be done, as the ceiling and everything has to be painted, because it's marked there from where the old wardrobe was. So I've everything filled, I just have to sand it. And I'm not back in work until the following Wednesday. So Monday and Tuesday will be spent putting it back together. I'll put her end of it back together first. That's the plan. And we should be good. So watch this space. It's going to be worth it in the end. It's just such a long job. I'm 3 weeks into it now, and I've only got this far, but like, I'm doing it around work and stuff like that, so if I had a week off it'd be different. I could just plough into it and get it all done in a week, but that's what I did the last time I done it. I took a week off and done it, and it was all day every day just ploughing into it. So that is it for part 6, and we'll probably do a bit of time lapse of the painting. Might do that, yeah, we'll do a bit of time lapse. I know people like to watch the time lapse videos, and there I am in the mirror. in my vest. I get ferociously hot when I'm doing stuff, and I sweat like a pig, so I tend to just go around in the old vest. You can see. But there you are. So anyway, join us very soon for part 7 of the saga of George's new shack. Once I get all this painting and stuff out of the way, it's going to be plain sailing with this. Everything's done now. I just have to assemble the upper unit once I get the room painted, and I decided to wait until I had the room painted to do that, because I didn't want to put it up, mount it on the wall, and then take it down again to paint the walls. So it just didn't make sense. So I will assemble all that after the room has been decorated. So anyway, join us very soon for part 7, and we'll see you on the other side. May the force be with you. This is George, EI 7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.